practice set 1.3, problem number 6, page number 22. Problem number 5 is the copy of this example. So 6 I am solving, 5 you will solve on your own. Whichever problems I am leaving and skipping from the exercise, you must try and solve at home. If you face difficulties, you can ask me. This is a given figure in quadrilateral ABCD. In this quadrilateral, AB is parallel to CD, AB is 20, CD is 6 and OB is equal to 15, OD we want to calculate. This is a very common example, very frequently asked in the board examination and very easy to solve also. Okay, so important example from the exam point of view, though it is easy. Okay, now in quadrilateral ABCD, these two sides are parallel. So obviously this angle will be congruent to this angle. Angle OCD will be congruent to OAB. OCD is congruent to OAB because these are alternate angles. These two lines are parallel, so alternate angles are congruent. There is one more pair, that ODC, this angle will be congruent to OBA, this angle. For the same reason, ODC is congruent to OBA for the same reason, alternate angles. So there are two pairs of alternate angles. Third pair is also congruent, but we need only two, so we are not writing third. But I am just telling you which is the third pair. This angle will be congruent to this angle. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. So we don't need it, therefore I am not writing it. Because with the help of two pairs of angles, we can say that the triangles are similar. So now this angle is congruent to this angle. This angle is congruent to this angle. Because these are alternate angles, I am giving a combined number to both the equations. Now I am going to use this information to prove that these two triangles are similar. This is one triangle and this is another triangle. तो O के ऊपर वाला और O के नीचे वाला ट्रायंगल परमानेंटली याद रखिए, क्योंकि बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स में ये सिचुएशन आती है, ऊपर का ट्रायंगल और नीचे का ट्रायंगल. ओके, तो नाउ हाउ टू प्रूव इट. इन ट्रायंगल OCD एंड ट्रायंगल OAB, OCD and OAB. OCD is congruent to OAB. OCD is congruent to OAB. ऑल्टरनेट एंगल से पहले हमने लिख के रखा है फ्रॉम 1. फिर ODC, ये एंगल इस एंगल को कॉम्पोनेंट है OBA. ODC is congruent to OB, यानी सीधे सीधे यहां से उठा के यहां डाल दिए. So in these two triangles, two pairs of angles are congruent. Therefore the triangles are similar by AA test. The triangles are similar by AA test. फिर वो एंगल O ऊपर वाला, एंगल O नीचे वाला, वो दोनों कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. एंगल C A को कॉन्ग्रुएंट है, तो C और A सेम पोजीशन में आएंगे. थर्ड वर्टेक्स थर्ड पोजीशन में आएगा. ओके, सो द ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर बाय AA टेस्ट. वन करस्पॉन्डेंस ठीक ढंग से लिखना है. और ऐसे जब वर्टिकली अपोजिट ट्राइंगल्स आते हैं, तो ये जो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन है डायगोनल्स का, वहां से करस्पॉन्डेंस लिखना इजी होता है. OCD इधर में OAB, तो O से ऐसे अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में जाएगी. O से C की तरफ, O से A की तरफ. तो इस तरीके से OCD और OAB, वो करस्पॉन्डेंस अगर लर्न करके रखें तो यू कैन सेव द टाइम ऑफ राइटिंग द वन टू वन करस्पॉन्डेंस. तो ट्राइंगल्स सिमिलर हो गए. We know that when the triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. So OC upon OA is equal to CD upon AB is equal to OD upon OB. By definition, when the triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. Now I have substituted the lengths of the segments which are given. जो lengths दिए वो डाल दी. Then I find that इसका कोई काम नहीं, मुझे तो OD निकालना है. So this is the equation which I am going to continue. इसको नीचे लिखा, इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किए. 15 6 are 90, 90 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 हो गया. 0 0 कैंसिल, 9 by 2 is 4.5. So OD, this length is 4.5. Same logic we have to use for problem number 4 also. So that is your homework.